Are you looking for a brand new ranch home in a great Greenfield location? Hi, I'm Lisa. Let me show you around Brandywine Villas. Our ranch homes are designed to make your life so much easier with everything on one level. Can you see your friends and family hanging out of the space? And your beautiful kitchen is right here, so you'll never have to miss a conversation again. Well, let's come back to the kitchen in a bit. Follow me. I want to show you your owner's suite. How great is this? A convenient first floor owner's suite, and your attached spa-like bathroom has dual vanities and walk-in seated shower. Did you notice that all the doorways are wider? Tiny touches like these make everyday living so much easier. Let's head back to the kitchen now. I want to show you all the included features. Granite countertops, craftsman trim, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. Oh, and all your appliances are included too. You'll get to select all of your interior options from our professionally designed palettes. Let's head outside. I want to show you my favorite thing about Brandywine Villas. No need to worry about mowing and landscaping in the summer or shoveling snow in the winter. That's all taken care of for you. Now you can finally spend time doing the things that you love, like having friends and family over to hang out on your optional covered porch. At Brandywine Villas, you'll enjoy living in a quiet community while still being just minutes from everyday conveniences and 3 miles to downtown Greenfield. Let's head there now so I can share some of the highlights of the area. Grab dinner out with neighbors at a local favorite restaurant, The Depot, and afterwards catch a show at a brand new amphitheater at Depot Street Park. And on the weekends, check out the Wooden Bear Brewing Company, where all the beers are brewed locally here in Greenfield. And don't worry about staying active. The Hancock Wellness Center, the Pennsy Trail, and several golf courses are nearby. You'll also be close to one of my favorite Greenfield spots, Riley Park. You can go for a walk, catch a game of pickleball, or simply just enjoy the 40 acres of nature. Brandywine Villas is also located just 1 mile from Route 9, which means everyday conveniences are just around the corner. You'll also be just 2 miles from I-70, so downtown Indy is just 30 minutes away. Ready to learn more about Brandywine Villas? Take that first step and schedule your visit today. I can't wait to meet you.